Welcome, beautiful soul. In the midst of chaos, routine, and striving, we sometimes forget the simple miracle of being alive. Today, we return to the sacred space within, the place of gratefulness, where the heart speaks louder than the mind, and every breath becomes a prayer. Let this be your reminder to slow down, to listen, to feel, to come home to the frequency of gratitude, the most healing vibration of all. The echo of thanks. When the world grows heavy and the colors fade, gratitude waits in the quiet shade. Not loud, not grand, not needing fame, just whispering softly your sacred name. It lives in the sigh of a cooling breeze, in rustling leaves and bending trees, in tired hands and laughing eyes, in starlit silence and newborn cries. No matter how far the path may bend, gratitude stands, your constant friend. It doesn't ask, it gently gives, reminding you this moment lives. Invocation. Divine presence, within and all around me. Today, I return to the altar of gratefulness. I call back the parts of me that have wandered into forgetfulness, that have fallen asleep in the trance of scarcity, fear, and comparison. I now awaken them with love. Anchor me once more in the knowing that I am already blessed. Help me see life not as lacking, but as overflowing. Let my heart be a vessel of thanks. Let my life be a song of appreciation. And so it is. Affirmations. Repeat these aloud or in your heart. I return to the present moment with grace and gratitude. I am thankful for all that I am, all that I have, and all that is coming. Every breath is a gift. Every heartbeat is a blessing. I choose to see beauty in the ordinary. Gratitude transforms my perception and expands my soul. I am aligned with the abundance of the universe. I am a magnet for miracles because I live in appreciation. Guided meditation. A gentle return to gratitude. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Again, in and out. Now imagine yourself sitting in a field under the morning sun. The warmth touches your skin. You feel safe, supported, whole. In your hands, you hold a golden bowl. This bowl contains every blessing you've ever received. Some big, some small, some forgotten, some hidden. Look into this bowl. See the faces, the moments, the kindness, the strength, the lessons. Let your heart swell with warmth. Whisper silently, "Thank you. Thank you. Thank you." Now gently place the bowl into your chest. Let it merge with your heart. You are now walking in life with the awareness of all that is good, all that is holy, all that is given. Breathe in this feeling, and when you are ready, open your eyes. Carrying this grateful heart into the rest of your day. Gratitude is not something we find. It's something we return to. A home we already know, a truth we often forget. But when we remember, even for a moment, the world softens, the soul sings, and life becomes enough. Thank you for walking this path with me today. If this video stirred something in you, please like and share this sacred space with others who may need to return home too. Until next time, stay grateful, stay grounded, stay golden.